can't do it right. Oh, there I did it. Good morning, guys. It is 11:25 and I am going to attempt to do these curls again. But I went online to Macy's again. Veronica is sold out. Okay. Ow! I just totally hit my pinky toe. Ouch. Anyway, and this is my outfit. These comfortable pants that I love so much. And then Vanessa's t-shirt that I actually bought for her birthday. I bought her an outfit and everything. Yeah. Hopefully the girls come out nicely. Everyone is so annoying today. Anyway, we're gonna go to the laundry. And then my mom's gonna be dropping me off for the thing. Say hi, Vanessa.
Mari thinks this is like an old gram.
I love that outfit.
I didn't say you didn't like it. I was like, not old grandma. I'm not old grandma. It is.
I hope it doesn't fall.
I think it's gonna fall.
Please don't fall. If I could keep it like this, this would be.
Is this somebody's sock?
Oh my gosh, I
Not even
hate
mine.
Why I hate when people put their leave their socks in clothes. If this is your sock, anybody, it's over here. It doesn't even have a name on it.
It shouldn't be the same as me on it.
Like it does not have a brand name on it at all. Oh wait, no, it does. It's faded. It says Hanes. This is yours. Please claim it. Regular, green, bra, pants, regular. Cool position, guys. I should do this from now on. Also, I already finished editing tonight's vlog, so that will be up on time, and it will not go up around midnight because I finished it. Pat it back. Vanessa, laugh. I can't do it right. Oh, there I did it. They ran out of the one that I always usually get, so I decided to get this. It's a fruit punch. Check out the strawberries. Oh my goodness, the girls. I didn't put any hairspray in it and stuff, so it'll go down. No, the cheese. This part was looking a little weird, so I had to redo that. And these curls will go down soon. I know. She needs it. I know. She needs it. These are the main ones that I need. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now Marlene is texting me. She's saying that she might be a little late because she missed the 1 o'clock bus. That's okay. I'm in 2 pieces anyway. I guess. Yeah, you should. Because she'll be coming in late. And then she might not have a spot or something.
Wait, where is she? Where is she? Oh, what time is she coming?
I don't know.
I hope it's not so late.
And then there's like nobody there. I know.
I'm happy she's coming. She gets to see in the morning. I think that's mommy. Never mind. It's probably not.
So I curled it a bit more. Still not my favorite curl. But I will just have to do with it. It'll lessen. And what is wrong?
No going in my backpack.
Apparently Valerie has top secret stuff in her backpack.
Only Vanessa can know.
I wonder when it expires.
Best by 12, 27, 15. December 27, 2015.
Look at me checking for it. Looks a little weird.
It tastes weird.
This is like my height.
I love it. I love when you sing chicken wing.
Oh, can we not
Scandalous
put it away?
photos.
Charge it isn't open.
Okay, so leave it up here. Put it, if you could put it against the wall next to the speaker.
Oh my god.
We just finished
keep
wrapping
these
everything up.
photos?
Some people are still there just cleaning up, but I did help clean up a lot. At least I think I did.
This looks so fake.
They're a street over and they're coming back. Yeah, so we just finished and I'm so sad because
This looks
it's
so
over.
fake.
I know. It's the photos, the evidence. I was actually just joking around there. But yeah.
These are great
So the
for my
performances are done.
project.
I'm so sad. I think we're gonna have like
Evidence. This
a
is
party
evidence.
to a goodbye party or something like I don't really know. Just got to my grandma's house. I look crazy. My hair is just a big old mess. My grandma. My mom prepared food for her. Just brought it over.
Vô try đi. Dạ bà.
Chocolate. I love chocolate. so hungry.
No, this is my almond joy.
No.
Almond Joy?
Yeah, you want go there? Eat. You want go
Did you say almond joy?
Almond Joy. Yeah. Almond Joy.
She means almond joy.
This is almond joy. Almond joy.
Almond.
Like Allah. Allah enjoy. Allah enjoy.
I don't know how to call that.
So much.
Another time of Valerie's secret timing. She's about to be done. She's just doing her hair. Okay, so peace, bye. Okay.
Tôi cho vô Quyên không riêng nó con vậy bạn chưa bạn đàn đi sao mình bia mau
Aw, Donnie came to visit. Yay. Cool.
chung có kỳ mò ra làm sao mai nhỉ chung mi sari papan kỳ mò tăng phi nhẹ đang ngày hay chưa bạn đàn này ơi lo na nhồng nực chào phải chào na cả nực chào na cả nực nơi cô na vậy ơi nực chào chào à nực ơi cái không riêng na nhom cái không riêng nhom nè ơi cái không riêng tôi cho con tôi cho vô Quyên trong tiêu là thay ra
Bye, Vicky. Bye, Mom. Hey, Lucky.
Fine, be that way.
Bye, Lucky.
Be that way.
I made him stay away from me today.
Lucky
Lucky. Lucky, look at mommy. Lucky. Lucky, come here. Lucky.
Nghe tôi lóc cậy vô xong ghê các bạn vô nghe vô đây vô làm má mình lóc
There was in that black car, which was amazing. But it's not there anymore. Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye.
bye bye
Bye, Lucky. Bye, Lucky.
bye bye ha
Bye, Lucky.
We're stopping at Burger King. Ooh, neat, just like my photo.
you don't want to eat there
Fries or the nuggets?
The fries,
Okay, the regular ones or the spicy?
the spicy,
Okay, with what sauce?
barbecue,
Chicken, cheese, small fries with a small Coke, and then I got a fiery chicken fries with a medium fries and a medium Coke with barbecue sauce, and then I got a medium Oreo steak, so that'll be $17.62 at the window, okay?
okay.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Spicy.
I'm farther away from
Spicy. Spicy.
I didn't think he'll hear me. Talk quiet, and people like,
Mommy
can you
was
talk
talking
louder?
quiet and she was like,
I love the song. I just uploaded episode 616. Turkeys crossing the road, which was pretty awesome. It's like seeing that again. It was my second time seeing turkeys cross the road, and they were like baby turkeys. Last time I saw like big turkeys. So awesome. You know what I realized, you guys? Looking back on my vlogs, I used to get the hiccups quite often. Now I'm just like, where did you go? Did you literally leave when I tell you stop? Go away? Anyway, it's 11:10 and I think I'm just going to be watching videos for the rest of the night or do something that doesn't need to be video journaled. Okay, so I will, don't think any dirty thoughts, just saying. Or is that just me, since I did just tell you to not think any dirty thoughts because it's me thinking the dirty thoughts, and maybe you weren't thinking the dirty thoughts, but now you are, and it's because of me. It's nothing dirty. I'm literally talking about like watching YouTube videos like Jaclyn Hill. Okay, you know what? This is just, why do I always do this at the end of the vlogs? Like I always end up talking about something else when I want to just say good night. Okay, good night. These little babies. Oh my goodness, no way. Look at that little